Hey guys, this is Donnie. It's been quite hectic lately. Just to give you a brief update, we got a lot of fence failure. Let me change this. The tornado did get a lot of the fence. I did not realize it punched a hole in the fence, and the big goats have wore it out. Hey Molly, there's one of the new babies. That's Molly's baby. Just want to show you right quick. Hey Tinker. These two little tiny things right here. I mean, that is a little bitty goat. That's Mama, that little brown one. And I'll show you this other little baby. Hey girl, what are you doing? See, there's trying to find Mama. I don't know where Mama is. Anyway, that's one of the new ones. And then, of course, we got this little guy. He's a firecracker. But anyhow, we got fence failure, and I'm trying to figure out how to get it replaced. We're fixing to go pick up some wire. We just don't have I don't have what I need to get all of it. There's Daphne, there's her baby. I've had to pile up just a lot of stuff right here because they're pushing through the bottom. This pole here is broke in the ground. This gate is broke right there, right here. And it's done. But there's a hole back here in that back fence. There's a hole back over here. Now the goats, sorry about that. Way back there, the goats have knocked another hole in it, and now they're getting their heads stuck in the wire. And we're gonna try to go with the sheep and goat fence, but it's just so dadburn expensive. It's right at $285 for one roll. I mean, gotta get 3 rolls, but I'm just gonna take all this mess down. We're gonna fence. We're gonna come across right here. There's actually a gate that goes here. It's right there. It's laid up. I'm gonna close that off, and I'm probably gonna just fence it all the way across here. Come down the chain link, tear all this down, and all of this to be open. And then we're gonna make it to where they cannot get in that hoop house over there where we keep the tractor, because they will chew the wiring on the tractor. But anyhow, that's the project today. I got to get this fencing fixed. Yesterday we had about 30 of them out, way in the back there. But they went to his neighbor and they ate his wife's fruit tree that she had planted. They literally destroyed it. And they have not gotten up with me to let me know what I need to do to replace it or make it right with them. But anyhow, that's where we're at. I haven't even been able to haul the debris off from the tornado yet. Everybody's raised prices. The dump is just, normally a load we take would be around $50 to $60, and now the same load is almost $90. And we got so much going on with all this Kim's medical, and I'm just not able to do it. Hey guys, this is Haley. You guys don't know, there's Benji. I think y'all know him and Roscoe right back there. Hey bud. But he gets out and he goes back there and just eats everything he can find. He's my buddy. I love that goat. Oh, I love him. He's a sweet boy. But alright guys, I just want to give you a brief update. I may try to, when I start on the fence, and if I can pull it off, I may try to film it and just put it in high speed. But Rosie thinks she's a goat. Rosie's playing with Littlefoot. Alright guys, I love you. God bless you. And we will see you guys very soon. Have a wonderful afternoon. And always be safe.